In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find premium images on Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, designing social media graphics, or creating invitations, having access to high quality images can elevate your project and give it that professional touch. Let's get started on mastering the art of finding premium visuals on Canva. First, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Simply click the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. If convenience is a priority for you, Canva offers multiple options for logging in, including using your Google or Facebook accounts, or if you prefer, log in directly with your email. Once you're signed in and ready to go, it's time to open an existing project you're working on or create a new one. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be adding your premium images directly to this canvas. Within the Canva editor, direct your attention to the left side panel. Click on the Elements tab. This section is your gateway to a vast array of creative possibilities, including shapes, lines, grids, and most importantly, images. To find specific images, utilize the search bar at the top of the Elements tab, type in any keywords related to the images you're searching for. This will narrow down the results to a more manageable and relevant collection. Below the search bar, you'll notice filter suggestions, which can further refine your search based on categories or themes. This is particularly useful if you have a specific vision in mind and want to keep your design cohesive. When you find an image you love and want to incorporate into your design, all you need to do is click on it. This action will automatically add the image to your canvas, where you can resize and reposition it as needed. Be sure to explore different layouts and perspectives to create a visually engaging design. As you're browsing through the image options, keep an eye out for those adorned with a crown icon. This crown symbolizes that the image is part of Canva's premium collection. Premium photos often stand out with their high resolution and unique attributes, making them a worthy addition if you aim to impress. If you frequently find yourself needing premium content, consider upgrading to one of Canva's paid plans, such as Canva Pro, Canva Teams, Canva for Education, or Canva for Non-Profits. These subscriptions unlock an extended library of premium images, which you can access for no additional cost beyond your subscription. This is an excellent option for those who rely on Canva for their day-to-day design needs and want to consistently use top-notch images without breaking the bank. By the end of this tutorial, I hope you feel more confident in navigating Canva's extensive image library and are ready to enhance your projects with premium images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.